What combines the research of tumor cells and nanoparticles is the MaNaCa project. The MaNaCa project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme and aims to develop the scientific and technological capacity as well as raise the research profile of the Institute for Physical Research of the National Academy of Science in Armenia. From a scientific standpoint, MaNaCa will focus on the structural and magnetic characterization of magnetic nanohybrids and their application for cancer therapy. The project's aim will be accomplished by networking National Academy of Science in Armenia with two international leading research organizations, the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki in Greece and the University of Duisburg-Essen in Germany. Throughout the project, the research partners will be supported with the management and dissemination activities by Intelligentsia Consultants Sarl, a consultancy company based in Luxembourg. Hypothermia therapy are some of the oldest therapies known, currently used as enhanced anti-cancer therapy where the tumor temperature is increased to kill cancer cells and enhance the effectiveness of other therapies such as radiation or chemotherapy. Magnetic nanoparticles are remarkably interesting for biomedical applications due to their ability to respond to external magnetic fields which allow their remote manipulation as nanoheaters to destroy tumors. The requirements to use magnetic nanoparticles for clinical purposes are their stability in biological environments and their low toxicity, in addition to the appropriate magnetic properties to be remotely activated by an external magnetic field. At the workshop program, the students and researchers of National Academy of Science in Armenia can network with the research groups of Duisburg and Thessaloniki. They get integrated to the laboratory work in Aristotle University in Thessaloniki and in University Duisburg-Essen in Duisburg. With poster presentations and lab courses, the research team work on developing magnetic nanoparticles for biomedicine, and the workshop is the chance to get a wide overview over all steps including fabrication, experimental design, and simulation of magnetic nanoparticles behavior. Iron-oxide nanoparticles have emerged as one of the primary nanomaterials for biomedical applications due to their long blood retention time, their biodegradability, and their low toxicity. They can be used in technological applications, including clinical needs such as magnetic hypothermia. Among the widely used synthesis routes used for synthesizing iron-oxide magnetic nanoparticles are co-precipitation, thermal decomposition, microemulsion, and Sol-Gel methods. However, compared to other synthesis routes, the co-precipitation method is generally preferred due to its high yield and phasal controls. More specifically, for the co-precipitation reaction, the concentration of precursors and the reaction temperature significantly affect the size distribution, phase, and surface chemistry of resultant magnetic nanoparticles. Eventually, the incorporation of nanomaterials in medicine is an interdisciplinary project, and physics and chemists should jointly work on to achieve and reproduce nanoscale multi-component fabrication and to design, control, and measure property response at the nanoparticle unity. Biologists and physicians should focus on ways to introduce multifunctionality without sparing enhanced performance and to increase biocompatibility and sustain enhanced multifunctionality in vivo.